pretty far. So we can sign up, user can sign up, log in, log out, and add a chore, delete a chore. The next thing to work on in my individual development is going to be adding the kid database and then being able to assign a kid a chore. But I'll show you how to sign up real quick, and then you can see the chores that are defaulted for you and how you can add, edit, or delete additional chore. First, we made a contact page. Ryan turned his in, and I turned mine in. Shiva never turned his in, so it just says the default lorem ipsum. And then the about page just goes over what the chore box is. There's a basic UI. Ryan was tasked with doing the UI, but we haven't got that done yet. But that's the about page, and then this is the sign up page. There is some front end verification, so we'll just use I can't think of a name. Sorry. Sam Smith Joe. I can't think of anything. It would be nice to do some email verification that you have to, approve in your email before you can sign up. So additional authentication method, but we're working on it. And so create account. If you don't put in Gmail or something, if you don't put at Gmail, just like .com, and you try to create the front end validation, will say, hey, this isn't the format for emails. If you try to sign up with an email that's already in the database, it will come back and say no. Email's already been taken, so that won't work. So go back and just sign up like regularly. The only password verification is it has to be at least 7 characters long, or 8 characters long. Okay, so when you sign up, you're automatically given a avatar. It's dynamically pulled based off of the email address and the user ID that's provided. The user ID is provided in the SQL automatic ID. Sorry, I can't talk. It's automatically added, and then it searches for a picture based off of a hex of that information, and then this pulls this. So it can be a number of things. But then you can see your data, your chores here. The chore color changes if it is available or it is not available. So if the chore is already checked out, then you can't. Oh, what happened? This is the testing that I never got to really do. Okay, so apparently hitting next, or sometimes does page 3 not exist? Okay, for some reason I'm getting an error on page 3. But, and then each chore, it also has a icon for it. You can look at all your chores by going to your account, and then chores, and then this is listed all your chores that you have available. You can show them, or this just goes to show, sorry, you can edit them. You can't change the user ID, obviously, but clean bathroom, price, difficulty level is 1 through 5, so you can't go up anymore, but you can go 1 through 5. Completion date, it's up to you, and then do you want to make this chore available? Has this chore been paid? Blah, 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 blah. And then you can save changes. If you want to change the price of something, so sweep the kitchen floor is now $5. Save changes is now available, or $5. If you want to make it available, you can. Do you want to make this chore available? Yes. So it says is available, and now the sweep kitchen. Is checked out. Is checked out. Yes. So now when you go back to your account, sweeping will be yellow. Yep. So that's basically all you can do. You can change your profile stuff as well, like that. But that's about it. there can only be one email address in there at a time, it will show that no one else can get admin account access. All admin access gives me is I can look at the list of users that are signed up. I can change I can edit them, destroy them. So I'm just going to destroy show Smith Joe. But yeah, so those are the users. I can change them, add them, and then the chores. Same thing. Every user has admin access over their own chores, and they can add a chore. So if I wanted to do disinfect house, clean it, $20, level 3, finish by the 1st. Yes, I'll make it available. Yes. And so then I create my chore, and then you can see it's listed disinfect house. And since I already have disinfect house as an available chore, if I go to profile and I go next, okay, page 3 just doesn't work. I'm sorry. Okay, maybe page 3 won't go for some reason. I don't know why it won't go to page 3. But if you went to page 3, then it would see that there was a new chore there, and it was a disinfect tab or picture. But that's it. That's only the admin access. You can look if you wanted to. Sign in as a regular user. If I wanted to URL, can't remember the exact name, but if I wanted to look at another URL, it'll tell me that I'm unauthorized. If I wanted to look at users, just like I can in my admin account, it also says I'm unauthorized. So there is some limitations on what you can and cannot do based on your level. This person only has nature. Oh, let's use this one. Disinfect, clean. 5, difficulty level 3, make it available and create my chore. So then when you go to your account, it automatically has a picture. So it takes the chore name, lowercases it, and searches in the Ruby on Rails asset pipeline. It searches for an image labeled disinfect house, and I have that image already picked out. So that's why you can see an icon. Right now, if you put in a name and it doesn't have an image associated with it, it'll come back as an error and it won't proceed. But that's just more on testing that we have to get down to. But that's it. It's a pretty good start. I will finish it over the next couple of months and have it deployed hopefully by Christmas so my sister and her family can use it. But overall, had a great semester, and thank you for everything. Thanks.